Hello students, I am Dr. Nitin Thorat, Assistant Professor, Maharaja Jayarao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Sripundan. In last series of lecture, we saw the reactions of carbon-carbon double bond. In this series of lecture, we are going to study the reaction of carbon-carbon triple bond. Remember, this is the chapter reactions of unsaturated hydrocarbon and carbon-oxygen double bond. I divide this chapter into three parts. Part 1 is reactions of carbon-carbon double bond. Part B is reactions of carbon-carbon triple bond, and part C is reactions of carbon double bond oxygen. We already saw the reactions of carbon-carbon double bond. In this series, we are going to study the reactions of carbon-carbon triple bond. Let us start with the reactions of carbon-carbon triple bond. In that, we are going to study the reactions such as addition of hydrogen, addition of halogen, addition of halogen acid, addition of water, and last one is formation of metal acetylide and its application. The reactions of carbon-carbon triple bond is similar to carbon-carbon double bond. We know that carbon-carbon double bond shows halogenation reaction, hydrogenation reaction, addition of halogen acid. Similarly, carbon-carbon triple bond is also shows reactions like carbon-carbon double bond, that is electrophilic addition reaction. Carbon-carbon triple bond shows electrophilic addition reaction. Exception is carbon-carbon double bond required one reagent, but here we required 2 moles of reagent for the carbon-carbon triple bond. So for carbon-carbon double bond we required 1 mole of reagent, but in case of carbon-carbon triple bond we required 2 moles of reagent. In addition to these, carbon-carbon triple bond shows displacement reaction. Which carbon-carbon triple bond? Terminal. So terminal alkyne shows displacement reaction. In addition to electrophilic addition reaction, this carbon-carbon triple bond also shows displacement reaction, but condition is alkyne must be terminal. Let us start with this first reaction called as addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is nothing but hydrogenation reaction, and this hydrogenation reaction is carried out in presence of platinum, palladium, nickel, rhodium. So these are the catalysts which is used for hydrogenation. So what is meant by hydrogenation? Complete reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond into single bond, called as reduction. So this hydrogenation is carried out in presence of platinum, palladium, nickel and rhodium. Mechanism is similar to carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene. Addition of hydrogen molecule on alkynes gives alkenes. Then further it react with second molecule of hydrogen gives alkane. So triple bond is converted into double bond is converted into single bond. In this reaction, carbon-carbon triple bond is converted to carbon-carbon single bond. The addition of hydrogen to carbon-carbon triple bond is syn addition. Addition is syn addition. From one side, this hydrogen molecule is added to carbon-carbon triple bond. That's why this addition is called as syn addition. The unsaturated addition of hydrogen required very high energy of activation. That's why the role of catalyst is to lower the energy of activation. If energy of activation is decreases, rate of reaction increases. So role of catalyst is to lower the energy of activation and hence increase the rate of reaction. Let us consider this simple reaction. This is propyne, 3 carbon, with triple bond called as propyne. Propyne, in presence of hydrogen and nickel, what happened? Here carbon-carbon triple bond first converted into carbon-carbon double bond. Addition of hydrogen is syn addition. Then further second mole of hydrogen reduce this carbon-carbon double bond into carbon-carbon single bond. So overall is reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond into carbon-carbon single bond. Addition of hydrogen is syn addition called as hydrogenation reaction. In case of 2-butene, what happened? Here also carbon-carbon triple bond, 2-butene. Hydrogen in presence of platinum, this triple bond is converted into double bond. Addition is syn addition. Reaction is not stop here. Further, react with second mole of hydrogen gives carbon-carbon single bond. This is a complete reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond to carbon-carbon single bond. You can also reduce alkyne, that is triple bond, into the double bond. You can reduce carbon-carbon triple bond into double bond. Reduction of non-terminal alkyne can be stopped up to alkene. So you can stop reduction up to carbon-carbon double bond. That is, you can get cis and trans isomer depending upon choice of reagent. Which reagent is used depending on, we will get cis or trans isomer of alkene. If you want cis alkene, then use Lindlar catalyst for reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond to the carbon-carbon double bond. So what is Lindlar catalyst? This is a Lindlar catalyst. Hydrogen in presence of palladium, BaCO3, right? Barium carbonate. So hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium carbonate. This is Lindlar catalyst, and this Lindlar catalyst is used for partial reduction of carbon-carbon triple bond into carbon-carbon double bond, and we will get carbon-carbon double bond, that is cis carbon-carbon double bond. See here, if you reduce 2-butene, this 2-butene by using Lindlar catalyst, addition is syn addition, both hydrogen added from same side, that's why we will get cis isomer, right? 1 2 higher priority group on same side, that's why we will get cis isomer. Another example, 2-pentene. If you reduce 2-pentene by using Lindlar catalyst, remember, hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium carbonate. So this Lindlar catalyst reduce this carbon-carbon triple bond into carbon-carbon double bond. We will get carbon-carbon double bond. Not only the carbon-carbon double bond, here we will get cis carbon-carbon double bond. So if you want to complete reduce this carbon-carbon triple bond into carbon-carbon single bond, then use hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. But if you reduce this carbon-carbon triple bond partially, use Lindlar catalyst. If you want cis carbon-carbon double bond, cis alkene, then use Lindlar catalyst. And if you want trans carbon-carbon double bond, then use sodium in presence of liquid ammonia. So remember, if you want to reduce carbon-carbon triple bond into cis alkene, use Lindlar catalyst, and if you want to reduce carbon-carbon triple bond into trans alkene, use sodium in presence of liquid ammonia. This is a reaction. This 2-butene. If you add sodium in presence of ammonia or lithium in presence of ammonia, we will get carbon-carbon double bond, trans carbon-carbon double bond. If you want cis carbon-carbon double bond, use Lindlar catalyst. If you want trans carbon-carbon double bond, use sodium in presence of liquid ammonia. So hydrogenation, complete hydrogenation of carbon-carbon triple bond into carbon-carbon single bond is carried out by using hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, rhodium as a catalyst. If you want to partially reduce this carbon-carbon triple bond into double bond, that is alkynes triple bond into cis-alkene. Cis-alkene is carried out by using Lindlar catalyst, and transalkene is carried out by using sodium in presence of liquid ammonia. So this is all about hydrogenation reaction.